Okay, step 3 is to find the intercept of y. Usually it's given by the value of c. In this example, c is equal to 0. And then step 4 is to find the x-intercept. The condition is y equals 0. So before we look at the x-intercept, let's look at the value of b squared minus 4ac. Substitute b with negative 4, a with 1 and c equals 0. Then you will get the answer equals to 16. Now since 16 is greater than 0, we can say this graph has got two intercepts. Alright? So to find the two intersection point, we substitute y equals 0. So take the function fx, which is equal to y, so equals to 0. Factorize this equation, we will get x times x minus 4 equals 0. Therefore x is equal to 0. And then x equals to 4. So therefore we can say the x-intercept is equal to x0, y0, and x equals to 4, y equals to 0. Hence the graph will be something like this. We already found the x-intercept, which is x0 and x equals to 4, and then the turning point, which is a minimum at 2, negative 4. So we just sketch the U-shaped curve passing through these 3 points. Okay? Let's look at example 2. For the function fx equal to 3 minus 2x minus x squared. Again, there are 4 steps. Step number 1, compare this function with ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Hence a equals to negative 1, b equals to negative 2, and c is equals to 3. So since a is negative 1, that is less than 0, then we can say the graph is a maximum graph. Step 2, find the turning point. Use the formula x equals to negative b over 2a. Substitute b with negative 2 and substitute a with negative 1. We will get the answer equals to negative 1. And then next, find the value of y, substitute into the formula, we will get the answer equals to 4. So from here we can say the turning point, which is the maximum just now, is equal to negative 1, 4. Step 3 is to find the y-intercept. We just refer to the value of c. In this case, c equals to 3. And step 4, find the x-intercept. Remember, y is equal to 0. So before that, let's check the value of b squared minus 4ac. When we substitute, we'll get the answer equals to 16. Since 16 is greater than 0, there will be 2 intersection points. And since intersection of x is when y equals 0, so substitute the function with 0. Factorize this equation, we'll get 3 plus x, 1 minus x equals 0. Therefore x is equal to negative 3 and x is equal to 1. So we can say the x-intercepts will be negative 3, 0 and 1, 0. Okay? So after that, you sketch the curve. Mark the 3 points just now, the x-intercept, negative 3 and 1, and also the maximum point at the negative 1, 4. Then sketch the curve, which is the N shape. Okay? Next example, for the function fx equals 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. Again, compare with ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. A will be 2, b will be 2, and c is equals to 1. So since a is equals to 2, that is greater than 0, we say that this graph is a minimum graph. Okay? So that is step number 1. Step number 2, we find the turning point using the formula x equals to negative b over 2a. Substitute b with 2, substitute a with 2, so the answer will be negative half. So the same goes for the y, value of y, substitute to this formula 4ac minus b squared over 4a, you will get y equals to half. Therefore the turning point for this graph is negative half, half. Step number 3, find the intercept of y. Again, we refer to the value of c equals to 1. So then proceed to step number 4, find the intercept of x. The condition is y is equal to 0. Before that, check the value of b squared minus 4ac. So we will get the answer equals to negative 4. Since negative 4 is less than 0, That means this graph has got no intersection on the x-axis. So we just rely on the minimum point of negative half, and the shape is the minimum curve. Alright? So we have the y-intercept equals to 1. So draw the U-shaped curve passing through these 2 points. Okay?